very good morning to one and all present here. Today, you have seen the newly elected school senate sworn in, and I, Mayur Sultani, the school captain for this academic year, see this day as the dawn of a golden chapter in the history of Srimati Salochna Devi Singhania School. Some 10 to 12 years back, we were all kids studying in first grade or so, one of the many 5,000 students of the school. Now, thanks to the blessings of our parents, teachers, madam, we find ourselves as leaders of this mammoth institution. Today, we've been able to take our oath as Senate members thanks to our parents and teachers. We are what we are because they have been the guiding lights all throughout our tender lives. They are the ones who have polished and honed these pieces of rough and uncut diamonds to emerge into bright and sparkling ones that will catch the eyes of everyone around the globe. Parents and teachers, we thank you from the very core of our hearts for inculcating in us the necessary qualities and virtues which have helped us come on to this first stage of leadership. The School Senate is an integral part of all activities taking place in the school, and I am elated to say that this year's School Senate is truly a fantastic and hard-working one. The Senate acts as a link between the students and the teachers, for they are the representative of the students for the teachers, and the representative of the teachers for the students. In order to get this job done well, the Senate conducts regular meetings where issues are discussed and a plan of action chalked out. To this family of ours, a new post has been added, namely that of the school prefect. The school prefects come directly after the school games prefect in the hierarchy, and they assist the captain to run the Senate and are directly responsible to him. The school lives by the motto of providing equal opportunities to one and all. Each year, new doors are being opened and opportunities flooding the school. But the students fail to realize this. Being the representatives of the students, the Senate will guide the students to these doors and open them with a bang so that they get a chance and a stage to promulgate their talents. The Senate has also unanimously decided to let the teachers rest for at least 1 year. This year, we're going to organize all functions on our own, to the very Z and to the end. Today, in the 21st century, the attitude of students towards schools, academies, teachers, parents, and many other things have changed. Last year, during our investiture ceremony, Madam had called the students and the Senate as ambassadors of the values upheld by the school. Madam, I assure you that this year, the Senate will present itself to the school in such a way that by the end of this academic year, wherever our students go, people will say, look, there goes a Salonian. As the leader of the School Senate, I have been given a great deal of liberty to exercise control, and with this power comes great responsibility. Even as I now leave this podium, I leave with this assurance to you that the School Senate will take the school to greater glories and tread boldly where no one has gone before. Thank you.